What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kai's Circle Life. Yeah, welcome back. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell so you can know when I post. Anyways, so as you know, you guys don't know, but still, as you know, who said that? I don't have any book ideas until I just got one. It is called Enemies to Lovers, y'all. Enemies to Lovers. Okay. Alright. For some reason, okay, y'all, hold on. I might drink stuff, so yeah, by the way. Alright. I forgot the roleplay already. Ew. You know what it is? My payday. My day to get paid, y'all. My day to get paid. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
These are the two enemies. She's gonna be like,
yo.
This is trans, by the way.
She coming out.
She's bi. She's lesbian. Question of the Question of the day. Have you watched Friday Night Funkin'? Not Friday Night Funkin', Five Nights at Freddy's 2. My family's really watching it right now. And since I'm trying to see what the movie is about, I might be like, you might hear the TV. So, I'm sorry about that, y'all. You're not my background noise. Oh, background noise, but yeah, whatever. Let's get into it. Another day, another time where I print. Actually, no, I'm not even printing. Like, what the heck? Another day where I have to study with my freaking bully. He's really my arch nemesis, and I have to work with him. Well, her, but she's trans, so she wants me to. And her pronouns are he, him. So, but she don't mind they, them. She's gender fluid. But who cares? Anyway, go on. I had to call him. Hello, nerd. Hello, fat, ugly box built. Whoa. Let me slow your roll. We just gotta do this, studying this, and I've come to your house, so.
Oh, baby, you know that too.
So, yeah. What? I'm there right now. Ding dong. Ah! Oopsies. You know what? Nothing's gonna happen. I'm going to be fine. What? Trigger one every loud noises. Why are you here? Because we gotta do the project together. Now come on. If you don't want to get over here, then you don't have to.
She has that mask on, baby.
So, bye. Kenny, she look like that person the Amazing Little Circus. What's her name again? With the mask. I forgot what the girl's name with the mask was. Kennedy, do you know the girl with the mask? With the mask on the Amazing Little Circus. But she reminds me of her. I'm sorry, y'all. Off task. I had to say something. I just want to say something. Anyway.
Oh, are they gonna bring?
Now come on, let's just get this over with. Fine.
What color is it?
Some hours after, doing that stuff. Like studying and doing the project.
Yeah, why did my stuff break down?
Gosh, I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed. Then go to bed. It's not that big of a deal. I'm leaving. Do you have a car? Yeah, why? Can I sleep in my bed? I don't want to go in. Shut up and leave me snap a doodle alone with your big fat crack. How would he know my crack size? That's weird. Stalker? Does he look at me in the shower or something? Ugh. What the hecky? I'm just gonna make me some quick microwave noodle. No, it's burned in the toaster. I'm just gonna eat some microwave noodles, and that's all. I'll set this right there first. Ha, 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 ha. Oh my gosh, I almost burnt my hand. Oh gosh, where's my, okay, it's hot, hot, hot. That literally scared me. It's literally burning right now. Oh my gosh, put this up, Whew. Hopefully I'm not burned. Yep, I'm not burned. Mother, then big three. I'm this. Sorry, let me just drink something real quick.
What? We sure ain't get them already. I forgot.
Oh!
What the fuck? Oh, I didn't even need to look to the kitchen.
Girl, put that. I knew she was crazy.
Oh my gosh, yo. She hallucinated. She thought that was the Illuminatronic that her father was in.
Baby, what happened in there?
Oh, excuse you, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I should have muted the mic. Sorry for the spoiler. I did not even mean to. I'm so sorry, y'all. Do not come for me. Anyway. Oh, I'm so freaking tired. Alright, that's good. Let me go to bed. I'm so thirsty. Just come give me something to drink. Okay, everybody. Yo, my sister wants to hear her ASMR. Hope you guys can hear this.
Right, my crunching on a scale.
Just do it. Go there, no.
Look.
Sorry, y'all. Anyway. Gosh, I'm really going to bed. I don't care, but anyways, I'm leaving now. I just gotta wash this cup out. Oh my gosh.
Guys.
Pours it out. Actually, she pours it out, y'all. And now it's back on the table.
What makes another cake?
This is what I'm eating tomorrow.
What makes a nothing but cake? A nothing but cake.
And a Pop-Tart by the... But I'm gonna have to, like, do that. I want to warm it up because, yeah. And the toaster, obviously. I'm not gonna work out for today. You know what? I do not have time for this.
Oh my gosh, this girl is hallucinating.
I'm going to bed now. Ugh. Okay, I'm just trying to say something else, right? I'll just set that right there. Set that alarm. Set this alarm. Yeah, yeah. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
My stuff on clothes.
I'm just gonna like take out this little my USB tomorrow, so I'll just like, close that. And now I'll just go to bed. Oh, please. No.
What happened? Oh, baby, you was
Huh? How did they just do that? I did not notice that. They're gonna be her room for that. Yo, bro, where's my son? He might be out clubbing and stuff. And like, he's gonna ask for a ride. Can you give me a ride? No! You had your own car to go to the club. So what's the whole point in trying to go get my girl though? She just shut up.
Saying I'm not gonna hurt you with a knife in your hand is gonna make me think you're gonna hurt me.
Shut up. You, just because of your girl does not mean anything. Shut up. You're ugly anyway. And you're fat. Who cares? Stop. And then stop body. Okay. Stop body shaming me. And stop insulting me. You did the same thing to me though. But that's because you did it. That you insulted me. Called me ugly. So yeah. And I might even block you, bro. I'm muting you. I don't even care, for real. Like, get into a car wreck. No one cares. Like, all you do is drink. All he does is drink all day. Go to bed, y'all. Y'all, the Apple Pen, I literally flicked my hand up, and the Apple Pen had fell. Boo! I freaking hate her. Rule is at the freaking door. I'm not too tired to even go, like, look, really. Like, oh my gosh. Look, what's happening? Who are you? It's your freaking brother. Okay, go to bed now. This is my bed. No, it is not. Remember, you said you want the pink fluffy unicorns. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on my lap. You sound like a child, and you're older than me, and not even sound like that. At least I hit puberty more than you. I hit puberty. Like, gosh. The next morning. Another day, another victory for the OGs.
Y'all, someone get her. Get her.
Okay. Since it's good outside and I did not do that, I'm going to get frostbite, y'all.
This girl. She trying to look for
Femboy, today we reunite. I'm going to the furry/femboy competition or something, however it's called.
competition.
No, it's just a furry/femboy meetup. Bye. Just dress up real quick. Yep. You do you. Someone's calling me. I'm pretty sure it's the girl that I have to do the project with. Let's get the
What are you? What type of roleplay is that?
enemies to lovers. Alright. I really need a wig, but like, honestly, who cares? Wait, I need something like, I'm gonna just wear this for now. Yep, looks pretty good. Alright.
Maybe you go.
Cause it's cold outside. Let's go now.
Someone whip her. Someone whip her.
Anyway, back to the roleplay. Alright.
Chica.
Ring.
Freddy.
Hello? Hey. What do you want? We have school today. So, yeah, come on. Today is Friday. And we have PBIS, okay? Come on. It's too early in the morning for that Sheba. What your cat wants. Shut up. For the last time, no? Honey, let me drink break.
It's cold for a reason,
Alright.
girl.
Alright, y'all, come on now. Anyway. Gosh, but fine, whatever you say. I don't have a car. Can you come pick me up? Oh my god.
Whoop that little girl.
You're not responsible to do anything for yourself, but okay.
What is this?
Perfume or spray.
Perfume I got.
Come on. Alright, I'm gonna head to your house now. Thank you. You're welcome. This is weird. Why are you acting? Shut up and just go get me. That's the serenity I want. Don't you have a girlfriend? No, I do not have a girlfriend. Just get into my car. Get into the back of my van. Oh, get into the back of my van. The back of my van. Wow. Or van. I said van, bro. It's an RV van anyway, so I see why I said van. Girl, if you don't get your fat booty over here. I gotta go to the house, y'all. I gotta go to the house, y'all. Everybody. Everybody. I just gotta get my breakfast because I literally am so late. I gotta change into an outfit quickly. It's cold outside. Just wear this. Right. Okay, gotta run. How am I not going quick enough? Okay, oh my gosh, I just give me something to drink. Yo, Taco Bell just kicked me out. What happened?
You're getting banned for life. Don't take backsies on your returns.
On the charges?
No, the everything you bought. What's it called again?
The receipt?
Oh my god, this girl called it.
The stuff?
What is that thing is called? Are you cooking the toast? Oh, that's toast.
No, it's not toast. It's actually a Pop-Tart.
Pop art.
Okay, I gotta eat this. Yo, if you don't eat this,
Okay.
just sit on the table.
Wait,
Okay.
hello.
Okay, I gotta wash it out. Okay, honestly, who cares? Freak. I'm gonna be so late. Oh my lord. Help. Oh my gosh. Wait,
United States of America.
she's outside my house. Let's go.
United States of America.
United States of America. God bless America. Deep but a heart on me. I don't know what he said, but still, yeah, bless America. That was so peak, yo. I know it was. Alright, here. You know what I didn't say? I forgot. Alright, come on now. Alright. So go ahead and drive. Wait, you know we're only like 14 years driving? I live on my own with my brother anyway. So who cares? Isn't your brother 20? 3. He's 3 years old? He looks like a full grown adult man. He is 23. Oh, yeah, I totally know that. Whatever, no one even cares, girl. I'm just, he taught me how to drive at a very young age, so honestly, who cares? After some minutes of driving, it didn't even
Wait a second.
take that long, and I wasn't even speeding. Alright, anyway, come on, let's go. Oh, yeah, thank you for the ride. No problem. That's pretty weird, but no, it's not snowing at school. I didn't know. I mean, it was because of the Arctic storm. I think I'm pretty sure, or everything. Yeah, I was doing, but I didn't know that. Ooh. And one grown one.
Yeah, and one umbrella. I forgot how to say it. Miss Jefferson did that to me.
Abuse. She started blushing. Gosh, why was she so close to me? The tension was totally nice. I just don't even want to. Wait, since it's PBIS, I don't need this. Okay, she says in class. No one cares. Oh my gosh.
Paula, did you get him his birthday?
Yes. And one grow one, by the way.
I still can't believe Miss Jefferson did that to me.
Yeah.
What did I ever do to her?
Abuse.
What did I do?
Abuse. I'm not saying you did that. You abuse. You are an abuser, though. You do abuse people. Anyway.
Who was I abusing?
choosing. Me, your friends, and more. Y'all. So I'm gonna have teachers, right? Like draw my 2s like this, my 1s like this, my 6 like this. My 6 like this. And yeah, it does look a G, so my 9s are gonna be normal. Tell me, okay, no offense, but who writes their R's like their 9s like this? I'm not hating, by the way, I'm just saying. It's a genuine question. Like, hold on, what? Like, how? How do you do it? Anyway, today we'll be learning about fractions because, yeah, we literally learned about fractions yesterday. Who cares? We're just gonna learn about it today. 3/3 is equal to 4. Oh, also write my 4s like that. Even though I write my 4s like this, but like, who cares? 2/3 is the same. It's equal to 4/6. And let me tell you why. Because 3 times 2 equals 6. 2 times 2 equals 6. Equals 4, I meant. So they have the same value, and that's how you find equivalent fractions. Also, I have a multiplication chart for y'all. Anyway, I like this multiplication chart and stuff. So it shows you all the stuff. Now, where you see the 2, where you see the 2 and the 3, slide over, and you will see. Oh, that rhymed. Anyway, slide over and you'll see 4, 6. Do that on your papers, y'all. Do that on your papers. And they all write it down. Okay, so here's another trick to only write my G's like those teachers really. Anyway, let me just do that because it looks cool. The blah 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 blah. This is how you identify greater than, less than fractions and stuff, or whatever. Now the part of koala. That's a sloth. Shut up. We know the parts of a sloth. Right here is the head, the nose, the eyes, and the little outside lines that go like that. Those are just, fur. Anyway, this is the pelvis. That's a very underrated body part. Fingers. Well, I think those are really claws, but they're also fingers. Hands, arms, elbows, and shoulders. Shoulders, elbows, arms, hands, and fingers. These are toes, ankles, obviously the pelvis again, the ribs, and this is the head and the brains inside. It goes like that. It looks like that. Also, the heart looks like this, y'all. A realistic heart, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna draw on the board. Oh my god. I'm just joking, y'all. I forgot how they really look, but I remember looking at them. It's like an emoji that's like this. So I'm gonna try to draw from the emoji. I forgot the emoji, but yeah, some little vines and veins. I'm gonna show you the emoji, y'all.
That's Charlotte, the one that died on the thingy.
Hold on, Yoli. I forgot where. Whoa. Wolf. That sounds so weird. I did not mean to say wolf, y'all. I'm trying to look it up. Realistic. Hard. Y'all don't know how to spell realistic. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all, I know it's somewhere because I remember it. Baby in her face, put a rock on her hand. How come it's not there, yo? I cannot find it. But it's there. Whatever. Who cares? Anyway. I almost forgot which app I was on, yo. Anyway. Now we're gonna make... Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. Get out of my freaking classroom before I smack your butt. Grown adult talking to minors, by the way. I think we need Kendrick Lamar for a diss track. Hey, I hear a beat. Boom, 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 boom. Do not let the pop. The audience not them. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slap. I can go further, I promise. Corey Kitchen, Corey Kitchen, Corey Kitchen, Corey Kitchen, Corey Kitchen.
Found him.
Yo, Corey Kitchen.
My mouth fell off. Beat fell off.
Baby.
Text still dropping the band. Be for real.
Yo.
Baby, who just gonna let that happen?
Anyway, yeah, get out my classroom though. I'm just joking, yo. I just got dark humor. Anyway, bye. You are pedophile. Do that. Alright, let's go now.
I think I know who it is. It's Charlotte.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right here. Remind me to do part 2. Because I'm gonna forget. You know I gotta turn this mic like it's going through some. Oopsies. Let me just turn off the mic.